Yo, what's up, guys? This is Karl the Great of Amazing Wizard Studios. Welcome to the July 2025 update on my Dell OptiPlex 780 desktop. It hasn't changed much, but I'll show you what sort of changes I made. Because, of course, I still want to show them off anyway. And yeah, this is the inside of the computer itself. You can see, like, I didn't make changes, like one little change. Yeah, over here we still have the low profile GT730 by EVGA. Every component is still the same. Like, now over here you might see that there's some tape over here. It's because I replaced the CMOS battery since the one that was installed when I got this computer failed on me, and I wanted to keep the new CMOS battery more securely in place, so I stuck some Scotch tape over that battery, so that it can be secure in the socket. Yeah, I was nervous in replacing the CMOS valve. Thankfully, things turned out well despite quite some difficulties. Like, yeah, and pretty much everything's the same. I didn't remove the CPU heatsink or fan at all. I didn't remove the shroud or like the optical drive and the hard drive are still the same. And power supply is the same, of course. Yeah, because this is a proprietary power supply. What do you expect? This is an OEM pre-built that isn't even a mid-tower. Yeah, but yeah. But now I'll show you how we like on the desktop and on the operating system in the computer. But yeah, here we are in Windows XP. The computer still works, which is great. Like, yes, at least it's working again. Either way, it's great. But yeah, it's like how it was before the old CMOS battery failed. But there are all the changes, but at least that was a big one that made this computer boot up into the operating system again. Alright, that's about it. This was the July 2025 update on my Dell OptiPlex 780 desktop. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and comment future content. Also, don't forget to follow Amazing Wizard Studios on social media. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when we post the videos or start streaming. This is Karl the Great of Amazing Wizard Studios signing out. Peace.